The Capitol Arts Center is a performing arts theater also featuring two art galleries located on Fountain Square at 416 E. Main Street in downtown Bowling Green in the U.S. state of Kentucky. History. Known as the Columbia Theater in the 1890s, the building was originally a vaudeville house. In the 1930s, it was redesigned as a movie house and renamed Capitol Theater. The theater doors were closed in 1967 after showing movies for over 3 decades. The building sat vacant for over 10 years and in 1977 was purchased by a group of citizens, formerly known as the Bowling Green-Warren County Arts Commission. The Capitol Arts Center was reopened in September 1981 after a $1.3 million renovation project. It retains the Art Deco style and decor of its 1930s renovation. Official website.